My vision for the conference, I think it's very large because there are so many things happening here, and I came to actually learn some new things about what the agenda is and how I might, at a very small level, in Australia in a regional campus, be able to make a difference.
I really anticipate that the agenda can be condensed and set and developed so that people all over the world can be benefit from this social workers' contribution in terms of social development.
International rights-based treaties, how are the practitioners themselves, the academia, the government, how are we all going to collaborate on making people's lives better?
I hope the conference will bring people to think about what we can do about the increasing level of poverty, inequality.
We'd like to have much more harmonized relationship in the society beyond national boundaries.
I think this conference is a wonderful opportunity for people from all around the world to meet, share their ideas, share their expertise, network, discuss their visions for the future. I'm very excited about the whole conference.
My agenda, if you will, for the next couple of years, and my association here is with HUSITA, which is the international group focusing on information technology and human services, and our interest is really getting more of a focus on how technology may play a role.
My agenda is how can I get other Caribbean countries to become more involved in the work of the International Council on Social Welfare, and also to develop partnerships with the International School of Social Welfare.
We can work in the field of empowerment for the group or for the community and try to exchange the chain or keep connection.
For me, the most important part of the future agenda is to teach our students that we are living now in a global world and there are a lot of challenges for social work.
My vision for this is that more people will become aware that there is a definite human rights element to the work that we do in social development.
My proposed agenda, I think, is to try and meet with similar minds and see how we can take forward all the ideas that have been set out so wonderfully by the conference advisors for this conference. So I just think it's to take it forward in the best way possible will be very exciting.
I will be presenting a paper sharing my views on the right-based approach to poverty eradication.
I think by attending as many of the discussions as possible to pick up new thoughts, to interact on the new thoughts and to network. And because I'm the regional president, I would like my own members to become more aware of these developments and these discussions.
My commitment will be to take back to my students and to colleagues in the area the sorts of ideas. The talk this morning was fantastic, the plenary. There are lots of things within that I can take back.
It's my commitment to work along with my colleagues in exploring those possibilities and trying to develop some concrete ways in which we can bring those tools into a role in addressing the problems.
There are a number of representatives from the Caribbean region, so one of my responsibilities is to make contact with them. There are representatives from the University of the West Indies, Jamaica campus, Barbados, Trinidad, and I would want to make contact with them and to make sure that I carry on the work from here.
I come from Zimbabwe, which is a very small place, very far away, and we may not have a lot of resources, but we have a lot of energy and drive, and because we have been so challenged over the past few years, I think we've got a lot of input in how to meet certain challenges and take them forward.